whenever we find some differences, the both human brothers, sisters, we both have the responsibility to build happy, healthy humanity. So only thing is only differences through dialogue, not weapon. Sometimes I also feel the concept of war, I think, very much related with feudal system. In ancient time, kings, queens, and also religious leader, all power hold some kind of totalitarian system at that time. So they give order, go there, fight, kill them. Now today, democratic sort of society. So each soldier loves their own life. Nobody can order, go there, sacrifice your own life to kill other. It's outdated, old thinking.